Hello and welcome to Let's Accelerate. My name is Tariq and I'm back again with some new features of Excel. Today we are going to talk about the spelling check and thesaurus. What happened is, friends, sometime by when we are making a data, we are in so hurry that we make mistakes, like we make spelling mistakes, and we also use inappropriate word or the very less effective word. So how can we make it better, or how can we improve it so that it can put a good impression on our seniors? So we can use these two tools so that we can improve our database and we can use the good words. And we need the effective word with a powerful word so that we can put more impression on our boss. So how to do that? Let's get started. So friends, this is the database on which we're going to work. We're going to understand what exactly we're going to do with this one. Sometimes like we have its sum instead of items. So this can be the typo when we are typing in a hurry, but we can improve it. We can make it change. Let me take you to the place where these buttons are found in the Excel. So these buttons are found in the review ribbon tab and in the proofing group. So all you need to do is to click on this one. You can also open this one by pressing F7. So the moment I click on this one, I just found this itam is not right. It's not in the dictionary. So it looked up and found that this is not the right word, which is not there in the dictionary. So I just want to use the same word. I don't want to change it, so I'll ignore it, and I'll click yes, and it will take me to the another one. Its sum is also not in the dictionary. That's why it is popular. It is giving me no option. I don't know what happened, but it's not giving the options, so I'll ignore it. Okay, so let's make it its sum items. Okay, so now I'll press F7, and once I ignore all, it will not change anything, any items. Okay, now I'm pressing F7 once again, and I'll come to this one once I clear all these options. So I just want to change the spelling of this items. Item is not right. I know this is the right spelling of this one. So I'll click on this one and change. This will change the selected cell. But if I click on change all, it will change every items like this. Change all, it changed both items spelling. Okay, so this is how it can work. Now let's go to this one, F7. Okay, now I made a mistake. I wrote accelerate. I pressed double T. I know this is the name of my channel, although double T is not there in the name of the channel, but to make you understand, I have added extra T in this one. So accelerate, I know that this is suppose this is the spelling of my channel name, and I just want to keep it the same when we use it next time. So I just want to I'll click add to dictionary. It will automatically add this one in the dictionary, and like this, and now this will not make any mistake, and now this will not show this one as an error. See, so this is how we can do it. Okay, so I wrote incorrect spelling of buy, and when I click on the autocorrect option, it will correct the first suggestion. It will take the first suggestion in the autocorrect. So I'll click yes, and it will change automatically. Okay, so this is how we can use spelling. Now, how can we use thesaurus? Thesaurus is a very good feature. Like, the antique is a word I just want to replace with another word without changing its meaning. So I'll click on thesaurus, and automatically it will show the word which I can use instead of antique. I can use old. So I can type manually old, or I can select the cell wherein I want to add the old instead of antique. I can right click over, and I can click on the old and click right on old and click on insert, and it will change. Now I want to add the old in another cell also. I select the cell and click on right click on old and click on insert. So this is how you can do it. I just want to change buy instead of another thing. I am looking for the better option for buy, so I found the purchase is the right option, so I just change it. Sale, I'm looking for another option for sale. Auction is not a right word, I guess. Transaction, let's change it. Transaction is not deal also, right? So I make it deal. Alright, so this is how we can change it. But this doesn't work well with the complete sentence like this. It did not show any result. Same goes for this one also. I wrote incorrect spelling, but it doesn't show anything like this. So this is the drawback of spelling and thesaurus. Rest it's fine. If you have if you want to change the one word, a single word in a single cell, that's okay. That's for you in Excel. So this was all for today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe, and if you're watching this on Facebook, please follow and like our page, and keep watching. That's Excel. Thank you very much.